You go out here. This is incredible. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. Good morning, guys. So I am still not feeling amazing. Yesterday, literally all I did was lay in bed because I really didn't feel good. I'm kind of a little bit better this morning. I got really good sleep last night, which always helps. But I'm still really congested and like just bleh. I feel like my sinuses are so just full. I don't even know. But my aunt is at camp now. She has the board meeting today, and then we're going to dinner. All three of us are going to dinner tonight. And me and her have plans to hang out at the beach this weekend a lot.
Your destination is on the left.
Oh, right there.
Alright guys, this is my aunt's room. It's incredible. This is the bathroom. This is the actual room. Really nice, cute pictures. And then they even have binoculars for you to like sightsee off the thing. And you go out here. This is incredible. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. This is so incredible. I get to stay with her here tomorrow night and hang out. And we're gonna hang out some tonight too, but I'm not spending the night. I'm gonna spend the night tomorrow night. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy and incredible. Look who I'm with finally! Yay! He met me and my aunt at dinner after he got done with work. Carolyn is settled at her hotel. It's really nice. And she's gonna spend a couple days there. I get to spend the night with her tomorrow night, but I'm going home because I have to work at 6 in the morning. So that saves having to drive back at 5 a.m. to make it to work at 6. So I'm going to spend the night with her tomorrow night. But she's already there. It's really nice. And we're going to hang out and have some time together tomorrow and Monday morning. But, oh yeah, they're surfing. We went to this really good restaurant that's along the water. So that's fun. And now we're headed home. And I'm really tired. I know he's tired because he actually worked. I didn't work today. I haven't been feeling good though. So hopefully I feel better after tonight, after I get some sleep. But we'll see. Alright, we are home and I got to take a shower, which felt so good. And I think the steam from the hot water kind of helped my sinuses, which I needed that. So I'm really glad that I got to take a shower, and I'm hoping some good rest tonight can make me feel better tomorrow. Today was just such a bleh try to feel better, be lazy all day. So I hope tomorrow I feel better. And I'm excited to have some fun with my aunt the next couple days. I will take you guys along for the ride as much as I can. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with everybody. Click the screen and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!